Hello, welcome back to our website edition tutorials. In this tutorial we're going to be looking at a free web hosting to host your new site that we have been building in the past tutorials. Now the reason I'm going to show you this is because it's easy, it's free, and it has almost all the tools that we'll need to put our website up without any difficulty. So open up your web browser. I'm using Safari here. And you want to go to 000webhost.com. This will be the first page you will come up with, so just scroll down until you get free or paid hosting. Compare our plans. Now there's two options, free and premium. Free is, of course, is free, but you don't get the same amount of stuff in premium hosting. So definitely check out the premium hosting. I would recommend if you open free hosting and try that before you pay it. This is actually really good. I'm still using free hosting, don't have enough money for that yet, but I will soon. So just come down and click order now. Now this is where you order it. So if you already have a domain, type in where it is highlighted, but I don't, so I'm going to make my own. I'm going to have test123.comuf.com. Now my name, my email account, which is my fake email account that I've made, password, just type in some random password here, then the image verification, DWTUT. I agree with the terms of service. So once you've done filling out all that, just hit create my account. Now this is what will be popping up, account setup in progress. It's going to build my account, and it shows you a little how much time is left. Okay, so my account has been built. So this is what you're going to get is just some stuff here to connect and everything with your FTP. We'll get into that later. So what you want to do is enter control panel. Now this will be your control panel for your site. Now the reason I like this is because it is very good. It has almost all the it has more possibilities than any other free paid or free web hosting I've ever seen. Now the two main things that you will be using if you're going to be watching my tutorials is the FTP details and MySQL and PHP admin. I'll get into that later, but that's just what we'll be using. Now if you come in to your account information, this will tell you everything. So how much disk usage you're using, your bandwidth, your home route, everything is here. So what you first want to do is click this link. This will open another tab, and it says your website is up and running. Website tester123.comuf.com has been successfully installed on server. What you need to do is delete this. So click that, or sorry, I guess you have to come back into here, or close this tab, come back into your control panel, and what you want to do is come into File Manager, type in your password. So what you want to do is come into your public_HTML directory, and then select this default.php and delete. Now hit the check mark, and when that's done, close out that tab, and let's go back to that. Now it should say index of. Okay, if it is saying that, then it's good. Now to upload your files, your websites, to your domain or your back office of your website, I'm going to show you that in another tutorial, not in this tutorial. So in this tutorial I'm just going to show you how to get the 000 web hosting your server up, and then instead of going to have people who type in tester123.comuf.com, that's going to be a little bit of a trouble. So what you want to do I'm just going to open another tab here, is go to co.cc and enter. So what this does, you can set this, make another domain, so you can make your tester.co.cc and redirect it to there. So you first should pop up with this. So just come in here, www, click in this so it's glowing, or if you're using Safari, if it's glowing. And I'm going to just type in DWTUT EST and then check availability. Okay, so it's just say www.DWTUT so DreamTut test .co.cc is available for $1, or sorry, $0. Should say $0, or you'll have to pay for it. So continue to registration. Now it's going to ask you to sign in with your email account. What you want to do is come down and create an account now. Now type in all this information, then hit I accept the terms of service and create an account now. Now it should come through all this again and type in your username or your email, your password that you made, type in the image verification, and it should say we have received your request for domain name registration DWTUT.co.cc. Now you want to come down here and hit setup, and then of course hit setup again, and then all of this should pop up. Now you can have name server, zone records, and URL forwarding. Now for this we want URL forwarding, so click the little radio button, redirect to URL. So come back into your 000 web hosting and click on your domain, Control C, copy, whatever, come into here, Control V, delete the HTTP, so it should look like that. Page child, we'll just testing, and then you want to display the real address or hide it. I'm gonna actually just display the real address, that way I can type in extra things, so if I have to FTP it up and I need to get to it directly, I can use that. Enter description, test, keywords, test, and then hit setup. Your changes have been submitted, so that's what should pop up. Hit OK. This will pop up. You can cancel out of there, and then come up, open another tab. I'm going to type in test 123.co.cc. Oops, sorry, forgot something. DWTUT.est.co.cc. Wrong domain there. And then, as you can see, tester123.com UF, it does not hide it. So if you select hide, it would hide it with a DWTUTST.co.cc. That's what it would say instead of your domain. So I hope that helped. I hope this helps your need to cover up that so it's easier to get to. So thank you guys for watching. Watch some more of my tutorials. If you don't know how to build a website, go into Building Pages 101, click that, and all of my tutorials will be there. Thank you guys. Comment, rate, subscribe. Visit my website, DWTUT.co.cc.